If your team only thinks about video when a new initiative pops up, you're already behind. The most effective organizations treat video the same way they treat budgets or marketing calendars. They plan it. In this episode of Working with a Videographer, we'll talk about what goes into a year-long video content plan that keeps your messaging consistent, efficient, and aligned with your business goals, without overwhelming your team or your budget. Hi, if I'm new to your screen, I'm Eric Wylie. I help corporate communicators create strategic video content. So let's talk about why you need a video plan. You know, some teams treat each video as a one-off project. That's costly and chaotic. Having a plan turns video from a reaction into a strategy. When you map out the year, you can align videos with key business milestones like product launches, training cycles, or seasonal campaigns. Avoid duplication and last-minute rushes, and give your videographer time to plan creative approaches that build on each other, so your brand develops a consistent visual voice. For example, instead of creating 5 separate employee spotlight videos, plan a quarterly series that ties into your overall culture themes. So let's identify core video categories. You can start by outlining the types of video you'll need throughout the year. Most organizations fall into 3 main categories: external marketing for product demos, customer stories, and brand awareness videos; internal communications for leadership updates, training content, and culture pieces. And then there's those evergreen assets like onboarding, safety content, FAQ videos, things that you should plan to refresh each year. From there, work with your videographer to determine frequency and scope. Some videos can be recorded in batches or B-roll captured and repurposed from one round of recording. Think of your year like a content roadmap. A sample structure might look like this. In first quarter, you've got a company kickoff or recruitment video. The next quarter, a customer case study or training refresh. In third quarter, product demo or a culture story. In fourth quarter, a year in review or some kind of leadership message. Even a simple outline like this helps you balance workloads, budget more accurately, and maintain consistent visuals. Your videographer can also help you group recording sessions to save setup time and production costs. A great plan only works if your team can actually maintain it. To keep it realistic, repurpose footage whenever possible. I'm a big fan of this, as I've mentioned in other videos. One shoot can create multiple deliverables. Plan to mix long-form and short-form content. Keep brand templates, graphics, and motion elements consistent. Most importantly, please treat your videographer as part of the planning process, not a last-minute call. When we can understand your yearly goals, we can help you anticipate opportunities, capture reusable footage, and streamline production across the entire year. A year-long video plan isn't about making more videos, it's about making smarter ones. Before you start a video project, ask yourself, how does this video support our communication goals? When you and your videographer plan together, every project becomes a step towards stronger, more consistent storytelling. If you have questions about anything I've shared here, please leave a comment or send me a message. And if you'd like to have some consulting assistance to help create a plan for your business, please drop me a line. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.